A fruit consists of seeds enclosed in a mature ovary of a flowering plant. When the eggs in the ovules of an apple flower have been fertilized, the petals, stamens, and upper portion of the pistils wither and fall away. The walls of the ovary in an apple harden, and the supporting stem becomes fleshy and grows up and around the ovary as the seeds develop inside each ovule. The remains of the sepals can be seen at the end of the fruit. The fruit is attached to the plant at the opposite or stem end of the fruit.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Afiq bin Aladat. My student ID is 2024242998. So today I would like to present about the fruit and seed development. So, what is fruit? Fruit is developed from mature ovary. Fruit also that is seedless is formed by parthenocarpy, action of fertilization. So there are 4 types of fruit, which is the first one is simple fruit. Simple fruit is one fruit that develops from the ovary of a single flower. The second one is multiple fruit, a fruit formed from the fusion of the carpel of many different flowers which develop closely together to form a one bigger fruit. The fourth one is false fruit, the third one. Fruit that is not formed from the ovary but from a different part of the flower. The last one, which is the aggregate fruit. Fruit is formed from numerous carpels of one individual flower.
The growth of flowering plants starts from the germination of seeds. Through this process, a seed grows and develops into a seedling. Now, let's see how a kidney bean germinates. First, the seed absorbs a large amount of water through its micropyle. The seed swells up, and the softened seed coat breaks. At the same time, enzymes in the seed are activated to break down the stored food in the cotyledons through hydrolysis. The food substances are then transported to the radicle and the plumule for growth. The radicle soon emerges from the seed, and grows down into the soil to form the root. The plumule grows up to form the shoot, and the hypocotyl lifts the cotyledons up above the soil. A few days later, the shoot straightens. The first leaves sprout, and begin making food by photosynthesis. The root and shoot continue to grow and develop. The cotyledons will dry up, and eventually fall off.
So now, we talk about seed. So what is seed? Seed is all of the genetic material required for a plant to grow is present in the seed. The seed is an ovule that has reached maturity and contains an embryo, reserve tissue for storage, and outer layer for protection. So right now, I would like to share it about the example type of fruit. So this is the example that we can search or do a research in internet. So now we go to the main part of seed. The first one is embryo. Embryo is a little plant that grows when the right conditions are met. The second one, which is seed coat. Seed coat is the outer covering that protects the seed from the disease and insect. The last one, which is endosperm. Endosperm is integrated food source for the plant. So right now, I would like to share it about the part of the seed. So the first one is hypocotyl. Hypocotyl is an integrated food source for the plant. So the second one is radicle. Radicle is give rise to the primary roots of the seedling. The third one is plumule, from the shoot system of the plant. So the fourth one, which is cotyledon, which specialized seed leaf, and last but not least is epicotyl, is a small shoots that give rise to the entire plant. So right now we talk about seed development stage. The first one is embryo differentiation, which is rapid increase in seed size due predominantly to cell division. The second one is cell expansion, largest increase in seed size for deposition of food reserve. And the third one, which is the last, is maturation drying, is significant water loss resulting in a drop in seed fresh weight. So right now I would like to share it about the difference between the apogee and hypogee germination. The first one, which is apogee germination. Apogee germination is a type of seed germination where the cotyledon or seed leaf are raised above the soil surface. The terms come from the ancient Greek words epi meaning on and ge meaning earth or ground. So the type of plant that germinate in this way, which is include beans, sunflower, castor, cotton, tomato, and pumpkin. So what is hypogee? Hypogee germination is a type of plant germination that occurs below ground where the cotyledons remain below the soil. In this process, the plumule or primitive shoot tip emerges above the ground and push it away to the surface. Examples of plants that exhibit hypogee germination include pea, maize, mango, rice, gram, and groundnut. So I think that's all from me. Thank you for your watching.